Hey there everyone, Fatty from Pack a Punch Traders here. Going to do a quick video going over the top plays for tomorrow, the last day of the month, August 30th. Here we got BWV. This one's actually not going to be on the top plays, but this one's spiking here after hours, multi-day bounce. It gave us that 30% move or so that we typically look for, and now we just have the fade. Um, it does have some range that it could possibly keep going. So it is on the watch list, but this is what we look for. This is that quick reversal, shorts get squeezed, and that's all it is. Just sell into the spike. But for tomorrow, we got OLB, which was on the watch list last night, and or for today rather, and it did exactly what I wanted. It just did it pre-market, and it got to the 30s, 40s as I mapped out in the previous video lesson, going over the top plays for today. And here we are coming from 110, offering a decent push. Not quite that 150% move we usually look for, but it's got some solid volume. I think we'll have some shorts trapped in this. If it fails to break down at some point and starts bottoming out, it could offer a decent bounce. So OLB we'll look at for a multi-day bounce for tomorrow. Next up, we got NEPT, which this thing, if the multi-day bounce does happen, it will kind of push it right into the mid threes, just under that, but it'll threaten the breakout level. So at first, we're gonna be looking for a multi-day bounce here, as we have that push, and now we have the backside. We'll see if this is some bottoming action here. Held yesterday's low pretty well and finished red or green, can't tell. Oh, red here after hours. But if this shows any signs of bottoming, it could lead to a multi-day bounce. And if you're not really feeling that and it does continue, wait for the multi-day breakout over the high threes. After that, we could definitely see the mid to high fours. I'm pretty sure this is a low float as well, doing good volume recently, holding up, making higher lows. So it doing the multi-day bounce here would just make a higher low on the daily chart, and that could lead it to squeeze even higher and break past the high threes. So this one will start off with a multi-day bounce, could possibly turn into a multi-day break. Lastly, we got PETZ, which was a mover from today. Not insane volume, really waiting for the volume to come back. But this thing held up pretty well into the close, and it is a low market cap. Oh, I was looking at shares outstanding. This is a low float, but it definitely needs more volume. Just because it's a low float doesn't mean we're going to be depending on this type of volume to really break us through the mid fours and to go higher. But here we're going to be looking for the breakout over 436, mid fours ish. So if we get a spike in demand, a hold of the mid fours, that could definitely progress into something more and test 5 at least. If there really is enough demand, I don't really see significant volume on any of these levels here back here. So it could get to past 5. I can see that happening. But yeah, so those are the top 3 plays for tomorrow, August 30th. Hope that was useful. All 3 plays from yesterday's video lesson, going over today's plays, were spot on. OLB, we had that push to the 230s, 240s as I expected. And then we got BWV, as we just went over right now. And then there was STBX, which had a nice push here. It was a decent trade for me early on. And I just called it a day after that. But all 3 plays, map them out. If you want to go over the thinking, how I was looking at it yesterday to see what happened today, go for it. I feel like there will be some benefit to that. But yeah, those are the top 3 plays. We'll just wrap this up. Hope everyone had a great day. Good start to the week. We'll catch you guys later.